amazing. It's a blessing. Yeah, you would. Holding on, growing strong. Yeah, do what you want, do. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. And we're back in effect with another reaction for you guys. Now, right now, people who have Dupss, Still I Smile. You see me, I say, official video, audio, everything in a one. But people, guess what? This song is a motivational song, it's an uplifting song. You see me, I say, based on the title, you see me, I say, Still I Smile. Basically, I say, I smile through anything. You see me, I say, don't let go piece you off. You see me, I say, yeah. Now, people, triple like button. A link to the original song, the original video is going to be down below in the description of the video. You can go pre it for yourself, make him know that the Reaction Boss send over. This is going to support the artist. You see me, I say, straight out of Jamaica. You see me, I say, upcoming thing. New sensation. And the rubbish truck can move so grimy idea. But right tune. You see what I go on. Still I Smile. Go on. Portland, Jamaica.
Give thanks to the first source of life.
I agree.
Center of all creation.
Kids are playing. Alright then.
Present the life I live for, but don't count you want many. Give thanks for the little, enough go with without any
see him, sir.
Me deserve my own, so I work my cents and pennies. I work on, work
I like that video already. You know I like that video already. It remind me of my yard. I miss me yard, you know that. I miss me yard now. I'm in America for 1 year now. I want to go back home. Why the sun moves so strong? It just pop out of nowhere, so. But watching this video, seeing the sea, the beach, the park, the coconut tree, I'm talk about palm tree like me American. American don't talk about palm tree like Jamaican. I'm not chat too much, but I just miss yard. And this video show me what I miss now. Go on.
A lot of troubles in my time, a lot of memories on mine.
Yeah.
A lot of struggles in my life, and yet still I smile. I know I'm on the
basically,
rise. Yeah, my dreams inside.
See him say, see what go on. So people, basically what man showing say, I'm telling them saying, yo, all that struggle them wanna go through, brother. Still find something to make you smile. You see me smile because you go through the struggle, because you know some things are better basically. That's what I'm trying to make you understand right there. So man say all the struggles in my life, but yet still I smile. Listen to that. Go on.
Going on and on. Life is amazing. It's a blessing.
Yeah, you would.
Holding on, growing strong. Every lesson comes with a blessing. Holding on, growing strong. I don't wanna be the one to gain the world and lose her. Shall we take away the blessings if you move wrong? Check yourself when you're talking with the loser.
You hear that? When you hear that a while ago, not the rubbish truck, you know. Not the rubbish truck, you know. We don't want no garbage, you know. Ja, we take what? Yo, run back in that tune, little bit. Run tune, brother.
I don't wanna be the one to gain the world and lose her. Shall we take away the blessings if you move wrong?
Nobody wants to be that person. Oh, gain the world and lose all. Cause you know what? Ja will take, yo, go on.
Check yourself when you dance with delusion. Never mislead ones with delusion. Keep it mutual and be neutral, and we still be ragged as usual.
You hear that? Keep it mutual and neutral. Go on.
So through the hardest times I move neutral and be neutral. Lessons if you move wrong. Check yourself when you dance with delusion. Never mislead ones with delusion. Keep it mutual and be neutral, and we still be ragged as usual. This year but we few storms, so through the hardest times I move on. Lot of troubles in my time, lot of memories on mine. A lot of struggles in my life,
but what?
And yet still I smile.
Alright then.
Now I'm on the rise. Yeah, the dreams inside. I'm going on and on. Life is amazing.
Like the one sing that.
Holding on, growing strong. Every lesson comes with a blessing. Holding on.
The dance is blessing. Let us
life I live for and don't count to one many. Give thanks for the little, love going without any online. Me decide my own, so me work my sense and purpose. Me work hard, work smart.
Yo, that fast. Oh, but it ain't finished. No, we couldn't finish the video. Dog, watch us telling people. You see them video? We had some reaction, brother. Told me I enjoy it. As someone want to go watch that enjoy it. Told me I enjoy it. I forgot to do a reaction sometime, dog. Come say all the vibes and I watch it. Like say, yeah. Because most of the reactions are first time up. We don't watch that one already. You know, you hear me? But dog, this is how the vibe. People go check out the artist. Everything down below in the description for the artist. As him as Instagram, everything in YouTube. Go support him. Make him as a reaction bar. Send over there. So, you hear me? I say, peace out.